Inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism that allows a class to inherit the properties and behavior of another class. For example, superclass or base class. This promotes code reusability and establishes an easier relationship between classes. Inheritance promotes code reusability as common characteristics and behaviors need not be defined repeatedly in each subclass. Instead, they are inherited from the superclass. This simplifies code maintenance and enhances modularity as changes made to the superclass automatically reflected in its subclasses. We use a keyword called extends. The extends keyword indicates that you are making a new class that derives from an existing class. This means of extends is to increase the functionality. In the terminology of Java, a class which is inherited is called a parent or superclass, and the new class is called child class or subclass. Hierarchical abstraction. The user sees a car as a single entity with certain functionalities, example starting a car and stopping a car and accelerating a car. Lower level abstraction. Internally, the car consists of various components such as engine, transmission, and braking system. Each of these components is abstracted at a lower level. This hierarchical structure helps manage complexity. User interact with the high level abstraction, while developers can work with a low level abstraction to implement and maintain the system. Advantage of hierarchical abstraction are simplified understanding. Users and developers can focus on specific levels of abstraction without getting overwhelmed by unnecessary details. Modularity. Each level of abstraction can be developed and maintained independently, promoting modularity in the system. Ease of maintenance. Changes made at lower level of abstraction do not affect higher levels, making it easier to maintain and update systems. Reusability. Well-defined abstractions can be reused in different contexts, enhancing code reusability. Scalability. As systems grow, hierarchical abstraction provides a scalable structure, allowing for the addition of new features without disrupting existing functionalities. Different types of inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism that allows class to inherit the properties and behaviors of another class. Example, superclass or base class. This promotes reusability by establishing easier relationship. For example, if you are going to consider a class A and class A is a parent and whereas class B is a child. It is called single inheritance. So next scenario, multi-level inheritance. Class A is a parent of class B is a parent of class C. You can say class A is a grandparent, class B is a parent, and class C is a child. Next, class A is going to inherit the properties to two classes, so which is class B and class C. So a parent is having a two children. So next one, hybrid inheritance and multiple inheritance. Class A, class B, and class C. Class C is having a two parents, so but the Java doesn't support multiple inheritance. Java supports hybrid inheritance up to some extent, so but this level 2 doesn't support because so in order to achieve this particular multiple and hybrid inheritance to full extent, we are using the concept called interfaces. So let us consider the program of single inheritance. So here you are having a class name as employee. So now here you are having a class name programmer, which is going to have some relation between employee and programmer by using a keyword called extends. So now here it has given a salary 40,000. So now here programmer will get the bonus of 10,000. So now within the main method, so we are going to create a object for the programmer. So programmer P equal to new programmer. So we have created an object of programmer because we have not declared this particular int bonus equal to 10,000 inside the main. So because of that reason we have created an object. So now here we are going to print the programmer p dot salary, which is programmer salary, p dot bonus, which is programmer bonus. So because it is going to invoke this programmer salary and programmer bonus, so but the programmer salary was not defined. So it means salary has not defined within this class. Salary is not defined within this class. Salary is defined within employee class, which is 40,000. So let us compile this particular program. Java C space programmer dot Java. So now no errors are there. So now we are going to execute. So now it has shown salary and as well as a bonus of the programmer. Here we are going to create a two particular classes. So first one class is a calculation part, and another one is another class which extends the calculation. So now here we have given a addition, subtraction in the main class, so which is calculation. So we are going to inherit some features of addition and subtraction. So another part we are doing in child class, so which is multiplication. So if you want division, you can able to add that feature also. So now here my calculation is a name of the class. It extends, it creates an object called demo equal to new my calculation. So demo dot addition, so which is going to calculate the addition. So it uses extents called calculation, whereas calculation is a name of first class. So it is going to calculate the particular sum, addition and subtraction. So these two are from the base class, and multiplication is from the derived class. So now let us compile this particular program. Save the program, my calculation dot Java. So we need to take the class which is having a main method. So now Java C my calculation dot Java. So now no errors are there, and you are going to execute the program followed by Java my calculation. It has given. So addition of 10 and 20 is 30. Subtraction of 20 and 10 is 10, and multiplication of 10 and 20 is. So finally it has produced the output. So next one is a multi-level inheritance. So already we have seen what is a multi-level inheritance. So now here we are going to take the example animal. So everyone animal is having a common property, eating. So next dog is an animal, so which is going to bark. So next baby dog, which is going to weep. So three features we are going to give three different classes animal. So where animal is a base class. So now we have created one more class called test inheritance 2, and we have created a instance for only baby dog D. So because it have inherited parent is dog and grandparent is animal, so new baby dog. So we have created an instance by using this particular object d dot weep. So d dot bark, d dot eat. So finally it is going to show eating, barking and weeping. So next for a hierarchical inheritance, so it is going to show animal, dog and cat, so which is going to show. So and it is going to show the error. So because it is going to inherit the properties of animal. So cat, we have to, it has to inherit the properties of animal. So if you are going to see the particular properties of cat, so it can able to have a meow, so which is inside this one, and eat, so which is inside the superclass of this one, and bark. So dog extends animal. So here dog extends animal, but cat is not extending the dog. So because of that reason, so whenever you are going to call the method, so c dot bark, so it is going to generate an error. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.